ABP decided for this fast delivery, lightweight structure building because of the rapid demand which was needed for storage. There was a customer which needed a lot of space for storage material in the port here, and therefore it was quite crucial that ABP was able to repeat very quickly to this kind of demand and install a 6,500 square meter building within a very short period of time. And we were able to deliver this kind of project as we were already able to deliver similar projects for other customers, for example, for Amazon, DHL, or other big corporates which needed a very quick demand for storage capacities which we were able to deliver. ABP decided here on our rental product because of the flexibility they get with it. That means they are not really dependent in the future. If they need that storage here, they can remove it, they can deinstall it or can put it in another place, or also change it with respect to their specific demand they have and which they need to cover. And this can be done within a rental product, compared to a purchase product where you're actually quite stick because you need to take a big upfront investment and you need to put a lot of cash into that kind of project. Where the rental project, you always stay quite flexible within your future planning. And this is one of the big reasons why ABP decided here on a rental product. Also with respect to corporate social responsibility, a rental project is always very important because in a rental project we also as Herchenbach use as much material from previous projects which can be reused, and we do not need to produce new material in such a way and thereby harm our environment in the world. And therefore a rental project always has a big impact on also sustainability, as the material is reused as much as possible. However, always keeping in mind that the functionality of the building itself won't be impacted by that, because here we are talking about aluminium structures, and aluminium is a raw material which can be reused many times and doesn't need to go into a trash after you finish a certain project. And therefore a rental project always gives you a big advantage with respect to sustainability as well. Herchenbach's temporary building is industry leading because we are very fast in delivery. That means such a building, for example 500 square meters, can be built up within 3 to 4 days. So we can meet the demand of a customer within a short period of time and be there. Another big advantage of our temporary buildings is, and that's also why we are leading there in the industry, is the cost effectiveness. Compared to like a traditional or like a steel building, for example, our lightweight structure buildings are way cheaper, and therefore the customer also has like a big financial advantage by following with us. Furthermore, we have the advantage of being modular. That means our system can always apply to the specific needs the customer has and always can be adapted to the needs. So just imagine a customer, for example, has within 3 to 4 years another need and wants to do something different with the building. For example, wants to have another roller door, another sliding gate or whatever, because he figured out the ways of operations can be more efficient if we do it that way. Then we can always adjust our building to those specific needs the customer has. And all those advantages bring us in a leading position.